Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Olivia Joseph. It's hard to believe, but it's been almost 4 months since our last group detox, and a lot can happen in 4 months. So just to bring you up to our group detox schedule, every January we kick off the new year with a detox. That's particularly effective for people who aren't so good around the holiday season. The second group detox we run is right now. We start next week. So you're welcome to get whichever detox you prefer. We have all the content in the Detox with Dr. Olivia group for the Paleo Detox, as well as the Vegetarian Ultra Clear Plus pH Detox. I don't care which one you do, it's going to be exactly the same. It's going to be 2 shakes a day. One is your breakfast, one as either your lunch or a mid-afternoon snack. With the Paleo Detox Kit, you take supplements when you take your shake. With the other Ultra Clear pH, you do not need to take any additional supplements. We are going to be eating whole food or paleo regardless. If you're a vegetarian, I encourage you to get the Ultra Clear Plus pH. We will give you some gluten-free grains as long as you stay dairy-free, soy-free, no refined foods. You can still follow along, but us on the Paleo Detox, we're going to be doing vegetables, fruits, clean organic proteins, and some healthy fats, nuts and seeds, things of that nature. So we are going to be implementing some new challenges during this next detox. We like to change it up a little bit so it's not the same old thing every time, although consistency is what's most important. Consistency is how you get results. So I try to time this detox so we're after Easter, after Mother's Day. So you're welcome, moms. You guys can still enjoy your weekend. And the Monday after, we will get started at Detox with Dr. Olivia. So get your detox ordered. If you don't receive it in time to start with us on Monday, start when you can. The Paleo Detox is 2 weeks long. If you do the Ultra Clear Plus pH, I'll walk through how long it will take you depending on how many scoops you use. I'll cover all of this in the Detox with Dr. Olivia group. We start next Monday, the Monday after Mother's Day, so make sure you get your detox ordered and you're ready to get started. We are going to be talking this time around about doing additional things to help promote detoxification. If you are local, I'll be giving you some local resources that we have available here. We'll be talking about things such as day of digestive rest, which will be a day where we just do liquids instead of actual whole foods. If you want to do that, if you've done a detox with me, you certainly don't have to. So we're just giving our digestive system the day off. Some people do that for extended periods of time, such as 3-4 days, to do something called fasting mimicking. So you're not actually fasting, you're taking in nutrition, but you can mimic a fasting state by doing that 4-5 days. I will tell you, research shows that even doing that for only 1 day, once a month, will help undo a lot of the bad habits that you have on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So just having that 1 day to reset your body, your detox pathways, your digestive system can have a profound impact on multiple systems of the body long term. And of course, bathing suit season is like 3-4 weeks away. So a lot of people choose to detox for weight loss reasons or to jumpstart getting rid of bad habits. And once you get that 2-week foundation of good habits, clean eating, high water intake, usually there's a compound effect and you continue to move in the right direction long after the detox. We will not be doing another group detox until after summer. I find summer's a really hard time for people to do a detox, and I'm nice enough to not detox into the holiday season. So I try to time it after the kids have gone back to school. Some of you detox with me 3 times a year: January, spring cleaning, and back to school, fall time before we hit the holiday season. That's what I personally do. I try to detox with you guys at least 2-3 times a year. This is going to be my second time detoxing with you guys. I was with you guys in January, and I usually am pretty ready to do it in the fall because for me, summer's my more challenging season. Whether it's the kids are home, traveling, social events. For me, the summer is a harder time, although there's a lot of great physical activity, sweating, and great whole foods that are healthy and delicious and colorful that you have access to in the summer months. But sometimes some bad habits creep in, and that's why I love detox. We get to just clean things out, and by doing a detox, you're improving your own body's ability to detox. So who should detox? If you have high cholesterol, you should detox. If you have elevated liver enzymes, you should detox. If you have allergies, you should detox. If you have difficulty losing weight, you should detox. If you have hormonal imbalances or take any type of hormone replacement therapy, you should detox. If you have skin or digestive issues, you should detox. If you have fatigue or brain fog, you should detox. So who should not detox? Unless you're pregnant or nursing, most adults could benefit from metabolic detoxification just to improve our own detox pathways. The truth is we are exposed to more toxins now than ever before in history. And a lot of those toxins are in our environment, in our food, and our water. We'll talk more about avoidable toxins such as cleaning products, hair products, skincare products, things like that. But some things we just can't avoid, and we have to help support our body's detox pathways because the reality of it is it will have a negative impact on our health. Chronic disease, neurologic disease, obesity, glucose metabolism issues, high cholesterol, metabolic disorders, cardiovascular, they're all on the rise. Unfortunately, in my 17 years in practice, I've only seen this going up and not down. And one thing that's been foundational and instrumental in my clinical practice for an entire 17 years time is detoxification. If you've worked with me, you know that that is true. We always start with a detox because it allows everything else you do in your life to be more effective. Every supplement you take, every workout you do, every great night's sleep, every healthy meal that you cook, all of that becomes more effective when your detox pathways are working for you instead of working against you. So I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Make sure you're in the Detox with Dr. Olivia group and make sure you get your detox ordered. We start next week and I'll be doing it with you. Bye guys.